Let's start off with freshly co-washed hair. I deep conditioned already. Well, I co-washed and deep conditioned overnight. You can deep condition for 30 minutes, for an hour. I choose to deep condition overnight because I feel like it works best for my hair and it gets my hair the most moisturized, in my opinion. Looks like freshly washed and deep conditioned. This I got from Walmart. It's soaking wet. But I got this from Walmart for $5. It is from the Evolve brand. They said it's new to Walmart because we've been drying our hair with t-shirts for the longest. But yeah, let's get into this video. Today I am going to be doing a go-to style that I usually do when I'm going through some things with my hair. As you all know, I dyed my hair. I bleached my hair, dyed it purple, and yeah, wasn't the best idea, but you know what, we live, we learn. I knew prior to getting my hair colored or bleached that I was going to have, it was a definite possibility that I was going to have some damage or whatnot, and I did. It's very dry. It is breaking off and everything. So to combat that, I want to figure out some things that I'm going to do to get it back to its healthy state. So I did put in my deep conditioner, I did a DIY. I'm not going to show you guys my DIY as of yet until I know that it's really working for my hair. This is the second time that I used it. Not for sure yet how I feel about it. So like I said, I'm going to keep using it and see if it's helping, more so to see if it's helping with like the shedding that I'm getting, and then my hair being so dry. So yeah, so now I just feel like now I need to go back to my basics, what I used when I first went natural, and the first product that I used was Cantu. Doing that, so we're gonna get into this video. I'm gonna show you the products that I'm gonna use, and then I'm gonna just let y'all watch me instead of me rambling on. So the first thing I'm gonna use is my Cantu leave-in treatment, leave-in conditioner, repair cream. This is my ultimate favorite leave-in conditioner. I stopped using it for whatever reason, I don't know, but this is my favorite and I'm going to use that today. This oil, I seen this at I think Family Dollar for $2, but I want to try out different oils too, and this one is the Argon growth oil, nutrient rich conditioning to help prevent dryness and shedding, which is what I'm trying to do. So I am going to use this, and we're going to see how this works out for my hair. And then if my hair gets dry in the process, which is starting to dry, my hair dries super fast, I'm going to use my handy dandy spray bottle, which has oil, conditioner, and water in it, just in case my hair gets dry. I also picked up this brush from Walmart. It's one of those, what's the name, brushes. Everybody's used these types of brushes. I was like, I needed a brush really quick. I saw that one that was similar to the ones everybody's been using, and I actually like it because it's really big. And yeah, so I'm going to be using this brush. This brush was $10. I probably could have got like a Demon or something for that price, but I was at Walmart and I needed a brush really quick, so I just got it anyway. So yeah, my other brush broke. I was sad. So yeah, y'all, let's get into this video. I'm going to be doing semi-mini twists. I don't want them too small. I ain't got time for that. So we're just going to go in and go ahead with this video. Alright, y'all. Do you see this damage? Look at it. Your hair should never look like this. Even after using a detangling brush, your hair should never look like this. So I definitely have damage. I'm really sad about it though, for real. And yeah, but it'll be alright. Just gotta deal with it. I made the choice to have it done. See, look. And they'll end up curling up like the other ones, but it take a little time. But yeah, I made the choice to get it done, knowing that I could have damage or whatever, but I'll get over it and it'll grow out. And then, you know. But this is what my curls look like. This little curl is, it's getting there. But yeah.